In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Udemy course to cart on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a course, add it to your cart from the search results, and get ready to check out when you're ready. First, open the Udemy website on your desktop browser. Take a moment to search or browse for the course you want to buy. You can use the search bar at the top to type in keywords or explore categories if you're still deciding. As you scroll through the results, you'll see course cards. Each card typically shows the course title, the instructor, ratings, how many people have enrolled, and the price. This quick snapshot helps you compare options without opening a new page. When you see a course you're interested in, look closely at the card. Near the price, there's an Add to Cart button, which is exactly what you need. Go ahead and click Add to Cart right there in the search results. This lets you add the course without leaving the page, so you can keep browsing and add more courses if you like. It's a convenient way to build your list before you commit to buying. Right after you click Add to Cart, you'll usually see a small confirmation on the screen, or the shopping cart icon at the top right will update to show a number. That number is the count of courses currently in your cart. If you're adding multiple courses, this number will increase with each click, giving you a clear view of how many items you've collected. It's a good visual cue that your click worked and your selection has been saved. You can continue exploring and adding more courses, or pause and come back later. Your cart will keep track of what you've added. When you're ready to purchase, simply click the shopping cart icon at the top right of the page. This takes you to the cart, where you can review the courses you've selected and proceed to checkout. From there, you'll follow the on-screen prompts to complete your purchase. That's all there is to it. Search or browse for a course, click. Add to cart on the course card near the price, watch for the confirmation or updated cart icon, and when you're ready, use the cart icon at the top right to proceed to checkout. Simple, quick, and perfect for building your learning plan at your own pace.